Bam! Late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new Fantom video. Fantom right now having some kind of breakout, so we're gonna talk about that. It's also having some kind of pullback on the breakout. You might not see it on this chart, but you gotta go really down in on the small time frames to see it. So we're gonna talk about that. Now, before we start, there's a link down below to the Patreon. We do daily altcoin videos every single day. If that's something for you, check down the link below, because we talk about what's pumping, what's not pumping, what's about to pump and stuff like that. What's good, what's not, what's above the line, what's below the line. If you need some kind of help with that, check out the link down below. That said, this looks nice. This looks nice. It broke on the 4-hourly time frame up here. I think Fantom had some kind of news going on right now about some kind of listing. I'm not quite sure about it. You do fundamentals, I do technicals, but it does looks very nice. It does looks very nice. So what we're gonna look at now. We're gonna go to the small time frame and see what's happening right up here, because right now this 4-hourly candle did close above the resistance up here. This was the resistance. It looked like some kind of expanding channel, and right now we closed above that, found some kind of bottom here, or pumped up here. I think it was 1-hourly, but we found, but I don't know, man, I don't know. It was down here, but we are definitely above the resistance, man. We are definitely above the resistance. We got a little bit more room to go to getting above this one to be super bullish. That's 233. I think that's gonna happen eventually, and this is going to continue towards the upside. But this looks very nice. This looks very nice, and it's right now, if you got, this is the 4-hourly time frame. Let me just zoom in nicely without actually moving too much. If you go to the 1-hourly time frame, you'll see here that right now we are having a small pullback up here, just like over here. These pullbacks do happen on the way up, right? So we are right now having this small pullback. Whether that pullback is going to be to the 10 moving average down to the line, some kind of retest on the line down here, and then bounce up again, or how this actually going to play out. But the pullbacks are actually very welcome. On 30 minutes time frame, you can see here that we had the pullback to the 10 moving average, but I think this 20 moving average, just like over here, might actually go something up here, hit the 20 moving average, and then pump towards the upside. Overall, it does look very, very bullish right now. I have no complaints about Fantom, and it's this line. You gotta break this line up here, 2.33, and it might pump. Now this, when we are talking about some kind of target, next target for this to me, it looks like it's some kind of what am I gonna call it? It's not expanding a channel, but it's some kind of bull flag, something like this, right? Let's not be totally some kind of a bull flag, some kind of, like, you could argue that this is a bull flag. It's not perfect bull flag, but it's in the ballpark area of the bull flag, right? So let's say this is a bull flag, and bull flag is a really an easy way to figure out the next target. It's basically from the bottom here to the top up here, and this move should go somewhere around, the target for the next move should be around 3.45. So this is the next move, and that's something up like, how much is that right now? 53% up. And this moves fast. This took 3 days towards the upside. Right now, breaking this I don't know if if it's a bull flag or expanding channel, whatever it is breaking something. Even on the daily time frame, you can see, even on the daily time frame down here, it managed to climb back above the 10 moving average. Opened up above 10 moving average, right now pumping out from the 10 moving average. So overall, this looks to me, it's gonna go 53% up to 3.45. This is the target for the next move. I'm thinking we have a small correction towards the downside right now. If you look at the 4-hourly, where is 4-hourly, 1-hourly time frame up here? If you look at it, we are having small correction without looking at these lines up here, meme lines, right? Without looking at these lines, it looks like we are having small short-term pullback, which might be nice buying before this actually continues going higher. But it does look nice on all time frames. It does look nice on the 4-hourly, daily, weekly, everything else. I'm not going to show you exactly everything. Come back tomorrow. But the most important thing is this is being broken, guys. This line is being broken, and to me that's super bullish. And that's all the technical analysis is. Like, what are you breaking? Are you breaking it to the bullish side or bearish side and stuff like that? And when you're doing stuff that are showing the bullishness, the price is bullish. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out the daily altcoins video, guys. You gotta subscribe, because tomorrow we're gonna follow up on Fantom, and because I think it's gonna go to the moon, and we're gonna talk about that. We're gonna talk about that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow around the same time. Bye bye.